Hey guys, Brandon, Yaks Out Fishing. Today I want to do just a quick recap. I've been fishing the second official Yak Tribe tournament. I haven't had a whole lot of success. This week actually is the third week. I had finals all week. I hadn't even been able to get on the water. I'm going to change that tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. Try to get on the water. Finished the last week out strong. I've been able to get 3 fish in the last 3 weeks, which has not been really good. I'll just kind of give you a recap of what I've been dealing with for the first 2 weeks of the tournament. I actually had extremely high water. I just was not able to get out and really do a whole lot. Had to work with what I had. The river levels have came down a lot since the first 2 weeks. So I'm hoping to get out on the water, put some bigger fish on the board. Alright guys, so here's what week 1 and 2 look like for the Yak Tribe tournament. Alright guys, so week 3 was essentially microeconomics, statistics, British literature, and philosophy. I didn't get on the water like I said, but I'm going to change that tomorrow, get out and try to catch some fish. As always, thanks for watching guys. Please hit the subscribe button down below and let me know if y'all want to see anything in particular. Thanks guys, and I will see y'all next Friday.